if you're interested in making money online in Kenya, I want to show you how you can start doing that with TechHood. So we have an affiliate marketing academy, and we also have an online business academy. But in this video, I just want to show you a sneak peek at what you get when you join membership A, which is the affiliate marketing academy. Okay, so when you click here and you click on courses as a learner, you will be able to access your courses here. All the courses in your membership will appear here, and this is one of the trainings you get with TechHood's membership A. It's almost 7 hours long, as you can see, and this training will help you to learn how to start making money by promoting other people's products and services. And there are huge companies that do this, guys. You can make money online wherever you are. This opportunity is global. There are many companies with affiliate programs, but people don't know where to find the affiliate programs. People don't know which products to promote. They don't know where to show their affiliate links. So when you click on this, one thing I want you guys to know is that you are not just going to get this training, you will also get access to a forum where you can ask questions for a long term. You will also get access to a private Facebook group page, guys. So we're literally going to help you start making money online and start your affiliate marketing business. If you don't know how it's done, this course is where to begin, and this membership is what you need to sign up for. So this is everything in the training. Obviously, I'm not going to show you everything that's here. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, definitely go ahead and check out this membership. If you sign up for membership B, you will get both the affiliate marketing training as well as how to start your online business. And we have done this, and so we have so many good things in this. I'm not gonna open this up in this video, but there are so many good things that you will get in here. An example is how you can start making money with YouTube even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. So this is how the membership courses look like, and they are very, very detailed. Like I've mentioned, you also get access to a private forum right here, and the forum is where you can ask questions and we respond to you. You also get access to a private Facebook group page. So that is all for this video. If you want to learn more about how to get started with TechHood, go ahead and click on the link on our bio and you can check out our platform.